Hey guys, it's me, Nina, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you all my squishies. So as you see in the background, you can see squishies. I'm just going to be showing you it. And I got a bunch of them. So the first squishies, these were outside and it was pretty cold, so it's kind of hard a little bit. This one isn't, I call this one an ice cream sundae. I'm just going to move this into this right here. This is more better lighting. I have this jumbo ice cream. I don't really collect squishies no more. I collect slime now because I like slime. I think slime is better than squishies, but it's okay though. And the slow rising is pretty slow because it's been in the cold. So yeah, squishy number 1. Alright, next squishy is a white donut. So this is not kind of fast rising. Doesn't really have no scent to it though, but my dog has been playing with the squishy. See if there's like little bites and tears, so I didn't do that. So, yeah. Oh, this one's my favorite one. This one's a Galaxy Panda, and there's some rips because I've been having the squishy for like a while, and it has some purple on the bottom, some light blue, and on the top is dark blue. So is this cute squishy. Oh yeah, this one I made, but I don't think it like turned out great, but it's okay though. No scent. See, I colored it with marker, and I didn't have those like squishy markers, I guess, that you're supposed to use. I don't know what, but this squishy. This ice cream squishy, it's purple and, it's blue and purple in the cone. Today I'm not gonna make slime. I might make slime, I don't know when, maybe next week, I don't know. Because I just got back from art, and I might color, maybe, with you guys. But it might take a while because, you know. So it's this ice cream squishy. And it's really slow rising, so that'll take a minute. Oh yeah. This is another donut, same thing as the white one, but it's chocolate. Make sure you guys comment down below what's your favorite squishy so far. So, chocolate donut drizzles coming off. It's okay though. This one's a big ice cream. As you can see, there's like little rips and tears. This, I think it was my 3rd squishy. My first squishy, I gave them to my friend because I didn't want it. So, yeah. Oh, look at the cone, guys. It's ripping. But it's okay. And it's kind of... Oh, look at it. Sad face. So, it's kind of hard to squish because it's a hard squishy. Oh, yeah. This one's one of my sisters. It's a big... Shopkin Panda says Squish Delish, so it is a type of Shopkin. It's a panda, and it's kind of hard to squeeze. It's been out in the cold, but it's kind of getting warm. This one's still cold, the Sunday one. So yeah. This one is one of mine. This boy, he gave me a squishy, so see, it's just a rip and tear. The eyes kind of missing. And this one still has a scent, even though it's been out in the cold. There's a little bow. The bow is like no. And this one's like really slow rising. See, guys. Might take a while because it was in the cold too. It's in my garage. Right. I'm kind of getting, this is dusty because I'm kind of getting a little sick, but I'm fine. This one is, it's called a Pop-Tart. No, not Pop-Tart. I don't know, like a pie. There, a pie with some strawberries, some whipped cream. Whipped cream is kind of missing its, like, little things. The strawberries are getting rips. And when I do this, the back is just okay, I guess. But this is kind of hard to squish because it also was in the cold too. And it's really thin too. Oh yeah. Oh my god, I hate my dog. Look what he did to my squished little bunny. Oh, look at look what he did to her. This was my favorite one. This is mine.
We can kiss that thing goodbye.
Brandy. Stop. I told you not to talk in my videos.
What?
Sorry, guys.
You couldn't even hear me.
Sorry, guys. Sorry if you think that I'm rude to my sister. I am, because I hate it when she disturbs me when I'm doing something, so.
I never do that.
Then stop talking in my videos. Okay, so it's this bunny. Big bunny.
Well, at least I'm helping you get all the squishies together.
This one is a duck. What the heck is this? Why is there hair? And why is there like green stuff all? Okay, that's gross, but moving on. It has a red bowl with some sprinkles on it, I guess, like painted sprinkles. And yeah, so it's this one. Still has a scent, but like it's just like weird. Oh yeah, my puggy. My pug. This is cute. It's a dog squishy. The head is kind of tearing, and I don't want it to tear off. I don't want it to do that. So, see how it has his little tongue out. The ears. The ears are not tearing. Well, oh yeah, they are. I don't know if you guys can see that though, but they are kind of. My grandma and grandpa gets paid on the 1st, so I kind of want to tell them that well, I'll tell my mom to buy me some more glue, and then I could probably make more slime videos for you guys, because right now I'm just showing my squishies, because they're not my squishies, but some of them are my sister's. So yeah, I still have a basket full of squishies. I still have more squishies to go. This one is a sheep. This one used to smell like lemons. Now I just lost its scent, so it doesn't smell like anything. Pink in the bottom, blue, yellow. It looks like a pastel color to me. No, not really, but it looks kind of shiny. This one's also slow rising too. It's like covering my face a little. My nose, it's itchy. Oh yeah, my owl. This is the same boy that gave it to me. His name is Fabian. He's in my school in Elizondo. So comment down below what schools you go to, because maybe I can just go check them out, or maybe to see if I can go there or not, because I'm in 5th grade. So yeah. Okay. So this one's an owl. I don't know what he did, but it looks like he put eyelashes on it, or his sister, but he told me he has sisters, so he doesn't really talk to me no more. But this squishy. Look at its face. It's moist. Okay. Next one, oh Oh yeah, this one has a tear too. That one has tears too on its wings. That's sad. This one is my brownie with like a purple raspberry on it, and it's like with a leaf, and it's like spreading on it. So this is pretty creative. Polka slime. I'm joking, guys. This one is what my dad bought me. It's fast rising, just little tears on it. But it's a French bread. Call it that. French bread. Twisted bread, whatever. It's really fast rising. It's not that slow rising. But it's okay, I still like it. Oh yeah, a little kitty, a tear on it. Oh god, my eyes are getting watery. Okay, so pink heart nose. You can I saw these at the 99-cent store. I'm thinking, but you can get these. And a little cat. Another cat, because my sister has one. This one. Oh my gosh, it doesn't even have a tear. Nothing wrong with this one. So it's another cat. Duplicate. This one is my sister's. It is a monkey with a donut on top of its head. Really slow rising, guys. Like, really. No tears. Oh yeah. A cake squishy. It has pink layer, red layer, and a brownie layer. I'll call it that because it's brown, so I'll call it a brownie. This one does have a tear, just like a little bit of tear. This one is like kind of missing its redness of the cherry, I guess. I don't know what that is, but whatever it is, I'll call it cherry. And guys, comment down below what video you want me to do, because I'm thinking what I should do next. Tomorrow, I'm thinking, or maybe I might do another video today or tomorrow, but it depends. So, cake. I have a basket full of more of these. Okay. Dinosaur. And a blue belly, blue head thing. It's ripping too, and it's ripping on its neck. Oh my god. These squishies are horrible. Okay, this one is one of mine. So, it has, little tear, I guess, but I don't know what that is. I don't know how to explain it, but I think it is. I don't know what that is, but it's okay. It's a green dog. To you guys, it looks like blue, but it's not blue. It's green, like a light green. And yeah. Okay. A poop squishy. This one's a poop one. Oh yeah, you could put this on your pencil because it has a little hole in it in the bottom. So I might do that though for school and be a little show off. Oh my god, the poop squishy fell. Oops. Okay. A cinnamon roll. This is hard because it's been in the cold. So it's kind of hard to squeeze it. I like this squishy because it's really detailed, guys. Like, do you see the dark brown a little bit? So, 4 squishies to go, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go pause this video for a minute because I have to use the bathroom. Hopefully I don't take that long, but I shouldn't. So I got okay, so I got this toast bread. It has a brown chocolate thing. It's a bear shape. It has a little face. That's fiction. That's not real. Alright guys, I'll be right back, okay? Alright guys, I am back for using the restroom. I really had to go. So yeah, moving on. I got this silver. Let's get the chair more. So I got this silver cake. Very fast rising. Silver. Bring out 2 squishies. I got this, it's called emoji. It's actually a girl because it's pink. So, yeah, this one is a donut. I like this one. This one, a pink dog. It's like its skin is kind of going really bad, so I'm just gonna turn it out a little bit. Okay. Oh, this is so hard. I can't even squish it. Its head is tearing. I don't know what's inside. It looks like foam. So, poor head. Next. Oh, I'm gonna grab 3. This is another puppy. It's the same thing as the pink one. This is hard too, because it's been in the cold too. Fish. Tail ripping. Right here is ripping. And yeah, okay, this is another emoji. Can be used for a boy. This is kind of soft, like the donut. So that's strange. That's weird. Okay. Okay. Pick the basket. What do we have? Okay, this is looks like a fox. It's in a little burrito. It has some stuff in there. So I think it's cute. Let's see, this blue whale. Wait, is it a whale? Oh no, it's a dolphin. Sorry. It has a dark blue heart on it. So yeah, oh, this one's a watermelon. This one's my favorite because this is really soft. So watermelon, my friend, she would like that. She likes watermelon. Another dolphin, but a pink brand color. Okay. This one, a waffle Shopkin from Squish Delish. It has some whipped cream on it. So cute. Okay. This one, a hamburger. It has some sesame seeds, but some of them came out, so only had a little bit of sesame seeds. This one is a cake with a strawberry on top. It has brownie layer, banana layer, and another brownie layer. I just call it like that, even though it's brown, yellow, and brown. But it looks like a banana pudding, I guess. I don't know what it is. Unicorn. a sleepy cat. It has some tears on it, kind of. It's hard. And yeah. Oh yeah, this one reminds me like a yogurt or an ice cream. I don't know what this is, but I'll call it a yogurt or an ice cream. I don't know. Another dinosaur. Same, the green one. A frog. Another poop. This time it's a red dinosaur. This one a husky. Gosh guys, I still have more squishies, guys. Oh my god. 2 bunnies. Oh my god. Oh, squishies are falling. Okay, another pink dolphin. A pizza guy, whatever. Another donut. And the thing is kind of, whoa, it's ripping off really bad. I'm not gonna mess with this one. Okay, time for the big guns. Ah, it just smells so good. Time for the big guns, guys. Look how jumbo these size are. I got this from the swap meet for like $10, guys. $10 just for this. What? It's a big mama sheep. And I like this one so much. Okay, so I'm going to put it back in the bag because I don't want the scent to go away. I'll keep these as my collections. Because they're called collections. So I keep this in this little bag and I just do that. This one has a monkey and a panda. I just put this pink thing on it, you know. Ew, hair. Okay. A jumbo-sized panda. Oh, I can't stop smelling. Okay, this is really cute. And look at its black eyes. Okay, now a marshmallow monkey, because it's really soft, so it looks like a marshmallow to me. And that is it for our video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to show you my squishies over here. And over here. Yeah, guys, I have lots of squishies because I've been collecting them. Me and my sister are. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.